Once you have your clips in the timeline, you may find that you need to readjust the in or the out points of those clips. As I mentioned in an earlier video, you can adjust the in and out points of a clip before you drag it to the timeline. So if I double click on this clip in the playlist, I can actually readjust the in and out points on this. And then when I drag it down to the timeline, it drags only the section that I had selected. But once you get your clips down to the timeline, you can still adjust the in and the out points. One of the easiest ways to do this is to just simply go to the end of the clip, and you'll see that you get a double-headed arrow, and you just kind of drag either way to make it longer or shorter. And you can do the same thing at the front of the clip. If I wanted to get rid of that space, I can just right-click, select Remove. Another way of trimming clips on the timeline is to use the split button. And what that involves is you line the playhead up where you want to make your cut. So let's say I wanted to make a cut right here. I didn't want this second part of shot 2. I line this playhead up, I make sure the clip is selected, and then I come over here and I click the split at playhead button, and it now makes it cuts that shot 2 into 2 clips. And then I can highlight this clip, and I can click the delete key on the keyboard, and it leaves a space. I'm going to go ahead and undo that. I can also highlight it and right click on it, and if I choose the remove option, it removes it and actually gets rid of the space. I'm going to go ahead and undo that. Again, highlight it, right click. Under the more options, it gives you options to lift it. So I could lift it and it'll leave a space just like the delete key did. And we get some other, you can also replace and detach audio, some other things that are under that right click. But you get the idea that basically once you've split the clip, you can, there are ways of removing it. You could also use the cut button and it would cut it out that way.